I must greet you all specially. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Because on this channel, this is where we give an information on visa application, visa policy on daily basis. So today I want to talk about a country that located in Central Asia, border China and Russia. So the country name is Kazakhstan. Yes, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan has a friendly visa policy, a friendly visa application where you can get your visa easily. Yes, if you want to apply for student visa to Kazakhstan, they may ask you to visit Ethiopia. If you are trying to apply for what's it called, Kazakhstan work visa, they may ask you to visit Egypt to apply for your visa, to get your sticker visa. So in nutshell, but still yet, Kazakhstan still have the simplest way to get this visa through electronics. If you want to visit Kazakhstan for tourists, you can get your tourist visa through electronics. I mean e-visa, we call it e-visa. So you can travel to Kazakhstan with e-visa. And the good thing about this Kazakhstan visa is that you can get Kazakhstan work visa, but in step by step. So you can get Kazakhstan work visa, but you must follow the step to get the Kazakhstan visa. The first thing to do to get Kazakhstan working visa is to get a business visa from your own country. Get a business visa. So this business visa can be converted to work visa. So the business visa is B2, while the tourist visa is P12. So you can convert the B2, which is the business visa, to C3. C3 in Kazakhstan is the working visa. So you can easily convert the business visa, which is B2, to C3 in Kazakhstan. You travel with your business visa from your own country. After arriving in Kazakhstan, is either Almaty or Astana. Then, between a month, 2 months, you put in your application for work visa, which is C3. I don't know if you understand me. So you can break this down. If you don't want to travel to is either Egypt or Ethiopia for sticker visa, so you can easily get your electronic visa from your home country. Is either you are from Kenya, Cameroon, Tanzania, Angola, Uganda, any part of Africa, even any part of the world. You can easily apply for electronic visa and get your sticker visa on arrival. If you apply for the business visa, which is B2, you can easily convert your business visa to work visa. It's rather better than making application to travel to Egypt. If you want to travel to Egypt, you either get your visa on arrival, you still process visa, Egypt visa on arrival to Egypt. If it's Ethiopia, I don't know what kind of passport you owe, you still need to put in some application. So, but for you to beat all these processing, break down all this processing, so you can apply for your business visa from your home country. Then after getting to Kazakhstan, you convert, you change, you apply for your working visa, because this visa can only be can be converted. But don't forget, you can't convert your tourist visa in Kazakhstan. It's not possible. You can't convert your tourist visa. If you are going with tourist visa, know that you are going there for visiting tourists only. So you must come back to your home country. But if you travel with business visa, you can easily convert if you like the country. But let me just give you the eyes of the block. The country is very lovely. It's very beautiful. Astana, Almaty, very, 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 very beautiful. So if you need a business invitation letter to get your electronic visa, you can reach out to me. We assist people to get their electronic visa anywhere you are. So then we assist in other various options after arrive in Almaty or Astana in Kazakhstan. So if you need your Kazakhstan visa, the electronic visa, that is very easy to get. Within 3-4 weeks, you get your Kazakhstan visa. So you can reach out to me, then I will assist you. Yes, you can reach out to me, I will assist. So I assist a lot of people getting Kazakhstan visa and other countries visa. So reach out to me. Kazakhstan is a very lovely country. You can go to Google, you can research about Kazakhstan, research about Almaty, try to know more about the country. Yes, try to know more about the country. It's very important. If you are traveling to a country, it's good to know about the country before putting any application. I think you understand. It's very, very, very important. And in Kazakhstan, because they have their own local language, but their official language is Russia. They speak Russia. They speak Russia because they are under Russia. Yes, they are under Russia. They bought Russia and China, but Kazakhstan is under Russia. So if you need Kazakhstan visa, you can reach out to our team. You can reach out to me. Then we assist you to get the visa easily. And if you need any assistance over there, you can still reach out to us. We assist you easily. So Kazakhstan, if you are looking for a country whereby you can easily go to make something out, to work, to do this and to do that, you can try Kazakhstan. If you are looking for a country to move, to start from somewhere, yes, you can consider Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is one of the countries you can consider if you have a little and you don't have much to process that, your UK, your US, your Canada, your Germany, whatever any country. So you can try from Kazakhstan, yes. But if you are going to Kazakhstan, you must go with the right visa. And that is the most important thing. If you are going to Kazakhstan, you must go with the right visa. If you have in back of your mind, you want to go to Kazakhstan, you want to go and start something doing over there, I will advise you should go with business visa that can be converted to work visa. Note, you can't convert tourist visa in Kazakhstan to work. It's not possible. But you can convert your business visa to your work visa. To C3, we call the working visa C3. You can convert from your business visa to C3. Note, this video is for information. So you can reach out to us. We assist you. Whatever anything you want, we get you the visa, you travel. So if you are coming across this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell. Follow. You can share. You can share. Yes, information is life. Information is everything. Next video, I'll still drop in about some countries information. So stay tuned.